Okay, let's dance this last time. I'm not good at the Okay. Now, first, second. Let's go in. What's this? That makes sense. Respawn. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi, twin sister. Oh my god, what are you doing here? Making a video. Please, follow me. Mommy. Yes, sweetie. No, what's this? No. Great. Okay. But I hope you liked that video. Enjoy that video. And don't worry, I don't have a twin sister for real. I just have a sister. Oh my god. Excuse me. I love someone. Why did you do that? Cut the video. I still let my brother go away. I missed him to video. I think that I have to do this video. But this video was the best. But I don't care. I'm gonna wipe my tears off. Just video. And that's better. Awesome. Now let's go. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't cut the video. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.